Hello YouTube, it's gonna be quick unboxing. I've got a new helicopter. I wanted to get in the flying hobby, so we're just gonna get this out of the box quickly. It is 2.4 gigahertz radio controlled helicopter. You can see instruction manual, basic charger, and 2.4 gigahertz remote. See, just basic up and down. It's pretty good. It's a gyroscope. Decided to pick it up at the hobby shop. Time of the building is the day before Christmas, and built-in electrical gyroscope. Plugs into a charger. Pretty big. I'm gonna have to end this video really quickly because I don't have much battery. I tried to charge it 3 times. Try to do this video 3 times before Christmas, but it keeps dying.